This spelling game was kindly gifted to me, and it's been such a fun addition to our home. I really love learning toys that don't feel like learning, and this one does a great job of turning spelling practice into an actual game everyone wants to play. What I like most is that it works for different ages and skill levels. There are multiple ways to play, so you can keep it simple for beginners or make it more fast-paced and challenging for older kids. It's something kids can play independently, but it's also great for family game nights or small group learning. The set comes with flashcards in 2 difficulty levels, wooden letter tiles, dice, and clear instructions, so everything you need is included. The smooth wooden letters and thoughtfully color-coded cards make learning feel manageable and kid-friendly. It's a really hands-on way to practice phonics, CVC words, spelling, and word building, all while keeping kids engaged and confident. I also love that it works just as well for homeschooling, classroom use, or extra practice at home. If you're looking for a learning game that brings kids and adults together while building real reading and spelling skills, this one is a great choice to add to your rotation.